Starting a dropshipping business is a great first step into entrepreneurship. You'll be able to sell your own product, set your own prices, and market your own brand. You don't even have to pay for inventory until it is sold to an actual customer. So, if you're willing to put in the work, you can build a successful brand. But if you're still on the fence about starting your own online business, maybe it will help to know that in 2019, e-commerce sales amounted to $3.5 trillion. So today, I'll be sharing with you step-by-step procedures for you to start your own drop shipping today. But before we dive into that, let me do a quick house cleaning. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please consider subscribing so the video can reach a lot more people just like you who are looking for the same information. And also consider giving this video a big thumbs up because it's free and it also serves as a motivation to sending some love your way. First step that you need to take into starting your own dropshipping business is choosing a dropshipping business idea. The truth is, what you sell matters. A lot of people will tell you to find a niche you're passionate about, but that's only half the truth. It's a combination of profits and passion skewed towards making profit. The reality is, the best dropshipping business idea is the most profitable ones. So it's a lot easier to be passionate when you're actually making money. Once you have decided what you want to sell, you now need to educate yourself on who your competitors are, what they sell, and how they sell their product. So I'll give you 2 steps that you can use into doing your competitor analysis. Number 1 is you enter the product you want to sell into Google, okay? Now the first 10 results that will show up on the search engine will give you a good indication of your competitors in a certain location. What you want to do in doing your competitor analysis is search through Alexa or SimilarWeb for niche competitors that might not show up in the general search results. So these websites will give you a summary of the site you're looking for, including their social media profiles. It will also give you their audience, traffic information, any advertisements they are onto, and also competitors of that business. The number 3 step you need to take into starting your own dropshipping business is finding a supplier. It's a lot easy to find good suppliers using platforms like Alibaba, Etsy, Obello, and the likes. All you have to do is, when you're on the platform, search for the products that you want to sell, and a list of results will be given you. Now, check for the ratings, the review, and the number of years these suppliers have been on the platform, and this should sway your decision in choosing a supplier. After you have shortlisted these suppliers to about 5 or 6 potential suppliers, what you need to do now is to ask them important questions like their minimum order quantity, the duration of their shipping times, and those questions you would want to know about the product. Okay, so after you do that, I'm pretty much sure that your 5 or 6 potential suppliers will reduce to about 3 or 4 or even if it does not reduce to 3 or 4, you like all of the 6 suppliers, no problems. What you have to do is to order from each of the suppliers the products that you want to sell, okay, and then compare them. You compare their quality, the packaging, and a lot more comparison that you need to do. But doing this, keep your customer in mind of what they'll be expecting from you when they are making a purchase. So the fourth thing you need to do into starting your own dropshipping business is to build a dropshipping business store. Well, there are a few components you need to consider when you're building a dropshipping e-commerce business in order for you to do it the right way, and I'll share with you a few of those components. The domain name you choose matters, especially if you're building a long-term brand. You can use a free name generator tool to help you simplify the process. Always make sure to choose a .com domain name no matter what. And also, if you want your name or the business that you're doing, if you want that keyword in your domain name, make sure it is broad. Like something like jewelry, fashion, beauty, etc., etc. So you do not go changing your domain name down the road. You should also avoid using names in your domain for your store. So the next thing you need to do is to sign up for Shopify. Shopify is the most comprehensive e-commerce platform in the market, with new features, tools, and apps added regularly. You'll find that it is easy to use and run a business on the platform. But should you get stuck and you need help, you can reach out to Shopify gurus who would walk you through the steps for free. So, the next thing you have to do is to choose a free Shopify theme. Now, my go-to free theme is Minimal Vintage. It is easy to navigate, it is clean, and overall a great starter theme for those on a tight budget. Now the goal is to get the job done on freebies, like a free theme. So when the money starts rolling in, you can invest the money into themes, like great themes for a better store design. And the fifth step you need to take is to market your dropshipping business with everything you've got. I'm pretty much sure that by now you have found the product you want to sell and you have built your dropshipping store. Now is the time to market your business like there is no tomorrow. This is a crucial stage in your business plan, in your dropshipping business plan. So do not be making tweaks to your store design and pretend like you're making improvements. Do not be scared to put yourself out there, okay? It is not an easy step, but you have to do it to sell your product. Do not be scared to put yourself out there, and I bet you making your first sale is the best feeling ever. One may ask, how can I advertise my product? Looking at the fact that I'm on a tight budget. You can use Facebook advertisement. You can use upcoming influencers who do not have a large following. You can use them, and you can also use retargeting groups. You can as well get a free media coverage for your business. And I bet you are going to smile the moment you make your first sale, and it will not stop from there. The sales will keep coming in. So the final thing you have to do is to optimize. You have spent time building your website, your brand, your marketing. Now is the time to analyze your hard work. You can see that some advertisements did well than the others. It is normal. You can also look at your competitors, their pricing and every other thing that you need to do to compare to your product, and see if you can do something about your product to attract a lot more customers. You can also use tools like Google Search Console and analytics to analyze your traffic, and also make sure that you are increasing and not decreasing. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please consider giving this video a big thumbs up, because it's free and it also serves as a motivation to me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so this channel will